And right when we just took a shower, crossed over a few times for water, is a train. Okay, we are in Montana, Libby? I'm not even sure where. At any rate, we're about ready to cross over this bridge. It's, and Sue and I are gonna risk our lives and cross this bridge and try not to fall in that raging river right here. If we do, and you find this camera, have a good life.
Nice.
Okay, here we go, across the bridge. There's the raging water below. I'll never find my camera. Oh gosh, I almost dropped it. Can you believe it? Just now. We're walking across this bridge. Ouch. Just hit my finger. I'm kind of nervous here. Honey, are you behind me? Come on, let's go. Oh man. This thing is bouncing. Oh. It's a little bigger than our bridge. I can't believe we're doing that. I told myself I wasn't going to do it. I'm trying to videotape ourselves across the bridge.
I want to swim in.
No, honey, don't even say that. All right, we better keep going. I think there's people over here waiting. I don't even think we're halfway yet. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable waterfall right now.
I never seen something like this.
Sue has never seen anything like this. I haven't either. Look at that water. Unreal. It's just more and more. Look at it. And there's a train going by behind us. At this waterfall right now. I'm not even sure what the name of it is in Montana here. It's unbelievable, scary looking. Look at that behind us. Just keeps going. Yeah, oh, cutting off your head, babe. So, all right, well, that's it. We're gonna get out of here. Love you, babe. All right, stop.